Bakersfield.
Mel, Tanya, how about some coffee? I just found something.
I just lost something. Runway 29er.
Oh, no. Snow?
One of your jockeys missed a turnoff, buried the wheels.
No one told us.
Well, it just happened. Flight 45. I'm on my way.
Any casualties?
Just me.
There's bound to be a passenger with a $50 wrenched back. I'd better get out there with some release forms and plenty of sympathy and understanding. May I ride with you?
See you downstairs.
Good.
Mr. Bakersfield, white phone, urgent.
Bakersfield.
Where the hell are you?
I'm on my way to the field. We've got an emergency.
You said you would be home at 6 o'clock. Now, you promised me you wouldn't miss this dinner. You promised that a week ago.
A week ago, I didn't know we'd have the worst storm in 6 years.
You've always got some damn excuse.
I'll call you back.
Let me take that for you, Mel. You'll be much warmer in the bus. Sorry this happened.
The captain wants to take off as much weight as possible, then hook on a nose gear and tow it out with a tractor.
I'm buried like that, the nose gear would never stand the strain.
That's what I told him. I think we ought to use pneumatic bags to lift the wings. Could take most of tomorrow.
I want that runway cleared tonight.
Tonight?
Look, I know you're doing everything you can, but if I can con TWA into giving us Petroni, will you object?
No, Joe can have all the tries he wants.
Mr. Bakersfield!
Yes?
Snow death!
Yes, Danny.
I'm calling Petroni. Stand by on mobile phone.
Roger. Hello, Joe.
I'm Mel. Save your breath. Danny gave me the poop tonight. I'm not available.
Joe, I need you right away. I got 14 on the ground and 18 stacked upstairs.
And I've got our 5 kids stacked away at my mother so that me and Marie could be alone for a while.
Tell Marie I'm sorry to louse up her evening, but I need 2-9er badly.
Can't the global crew handle it?
Well, they're having a conference now to decide what to do. But I need somebody who knows, a genius, like Petroni.
Old whipped cream. I've just had dessert. All right, I'll be there.
Good.
In the meantime, give everybody a shovel and have them start digging a 10-degree incline in front of the wheels.
Right.
Out.
Oh, Joe. Do you have to go to work on a night like this?
Don't call them emergencies anymore. They call them Petronis.
I suppose you'll be late, huh?
I'll be back in time if I have to pull that plane out with my teeth.